Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. I know I've been gone for a while, but you guys, I've been doing some renovating at my house, so I've been preoccupied with that. But I've been super inspired watching a bunch of your projects and stuff like that on Instagram. I always jump on there and check out what's going on and what people are posting, and of course I get inspired. So today was a snowy day. I got out of work at 2 o'clock, came home, saw some Instagram posts, and totally was inspired to create some Christmas goodies. So let me share with you guys real quick what I created. I posted I think it was like a few days ago, some tags that I made using I've been meaning to use my Merry Day collection. So a lot of this is incorporated with the Merry Days. And these are some of the tags. I used the little house ties that I bought from AliExpress. And I created this one. I created this one. I think they turned out so cute. I actually did 3 of them, but one of them, I used them on a Christmas card. Well, I used this one right here. And I think it turned out cute there. It's just like a little tag with some little pom-pom trim. And this is what the card looks like. And this is using the paper by Cray Paper Merry Days. And mainly everything. I don't think I really used anything other than that collection. So let me show you guys the rest of the cards. I had seen Shara Crane post her cards that she made using, I think, my mind's eye. And I was totally inspired. I love the way she creates cards, and I love how she does the ripping of the paper. So I wanted to incorporate that in my cards, and this is what they look like. So this one just has like 2 little pieces of like ripped paper. I did do sewing all the way around, and then I have like a little cardstock sticker here. This one I propped up on foam, and just some little stars. So that's one of the other cards. Here is another one where I did the ripping, the sewing of a different stitch, and then I adhered this with just the ATG gun. I used that to just put this little piece of ephemera down on it, and I think it turned out so cute. I love the way it looks. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them. And then the last one is this one, which is also sewn. I have all 4 of them, I think, are sewn all the way around. And then I did the little ripping here, and I used the little cardstock stickers, and it says Seasons of Joy. This cute little sticker right here that says The Magic of Christmas, and I used the little snow globe sticker. So I packaged them all up with some envelopes. But yeah, you guys, those are the cards that I made. And then last but not least, I made these super cute little ornaments, like little rosette ornaments. I used the rosettes from the Fa La La collection from last year, and the little stars are from Merry Days this year, and it's the hanging stars. So I love the glitter on them, so I decided to use that, and I also used the little puffy stickers just to decorate them. So we have this one with the stocking, this one with the cute little swan, and then we have this one with the snowman, and this one with a little girl like on the ice skating ring. And the back was sticky, so what I did was I cut out 1-inch circles, so just to cover the adhesive part. And you can hang them on your tree. This one has another cute little girl, and this one has a little tree. But yeah, you guys, those are some of the little projects that I've created, because I have been in a little bit of a craft funk. After Halloween, I was just like inspired to renovate my kitchen, and it just threw me off in a whole different path. But I'm trying to get back into making some Christmas stuff. I'm gonna attempt to take out all my Christmas craft stuff out this weekend, and hopefully film some video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the little pieces of projects that I've created, my cards, my little ornaments and tags. Let me know down below what you would like me to see. No, I said that all wrong. What you would like to see from me on my channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.